Good morning. Well, technically it's afternoon. It's like 6 o'clock, but nonetheless, guess what time it is? Daily vlog time. So what do we got on the chopping block this week? This week's to-do list consists of a few things, guys. One of those things is we have Corey's B8 A4 over here, and it's got a mass of goodies that we have been sitting on because I don't know why, other than I just didn't have the time to get to it. First thing we're gonna do is we have a grill here for him. I think it's a honeycomb grill. We got the CTS turbo front mount intercooler kit. We've got a slave cylinder and slave cylinder line from USP. The grill is off of eBay. The CTS turbo stuff is direct from CTS turbo. We did not go with it from ECS this time because CTS had a deal on it, so we said, you know what, we're gonna jump on the deal and get it done. Okay, so here's my format that I think I'm gonna lay this out in. First off, click over here someplace if you want to see the how-to videos. I'll get that up depending on which order this goes in, but there should be a link over here and definitely down in the description for the how-tos on each one of these if you're interested in it. Second, I'm gonna unbox these and I'm just gonna continue on my day-to-day weekly vlog like it's normal for this week. So this video very well might be a not walkthrough, but behind the scenes of how I shot the how-tos more so than anything else. So this will be very interesting for me because this will be kind of one of the first times want to be the first times that I have shot 3 videos at the same time. Like all the stuff they talk about on YouTube and how influencers should, and how you should, like, not influencers, but how content creators should make multiple videos at one time. This is like a prime example of that. I'm not only shooting a vlog, but I'm shooting how-to videos all at the same time. So that's kind of a new one for me. So let's get this party started because I gotta shut the camera off and do 3 unboxing videos and 3 thumbnails and 3, yeah, I just have to do 3 of everything. This is gonna be some work. So let's get this damn party started. Let's go. All right, well, that whole thing was interesting now, wasn't it? It's kind of like a little behind the scenes of how I'm gonna do this type of thing. It's almost like how it's made, but content creator style. Where are we at? Well, I got the car up on jack stands, got everything unpacked, obviously. So I was shooting a thumbnail over here, and I had to shot a couple thumbnails over there, which you guys seen. But if you're new to this channel and you have seen one of my DIY maintenance vlogs, and that's how you found this, let me know in the comment section below. We're gonna probably cut to a tomorrow. Good morning. All right, we're back. It is day 2 of the weekly vlog. All right, so what do we got on today's agenda? Well, today I am not at the shop. I am going to be 100% at the house. So let's get this stuff on. So since this is my daily vlog portion, not that I'm gonna do anything different, but I think the first thing that we're gonna do, I'm gonna end up shutting this camera off and cutting to a montage for you guys and a walkthrough of how to remove the bumper cover for my other viewers. So let's get started. Well, good news and bad news. I guess the lapse camera finally died, so get a new battery for it, no big deal. All right, I guess it's time for a daily vlog check-in, huh? We got the bumper cover off. It looks pretty hideous. Here's a pro tip, though. This portion, basically, from like here to here, paint this black. You want to paint all that black so that when you put the new grill on, you don't see it. Because you're going to see it if you don't have the center, like, license plate bracket. That's going to just be hideous. And I'll be honest, we're not going to put the license plate bracket mount on the front of here. So this is going to be visible and we don't want to see that. All right, well, that's all for right now. I'm going to move on, shoot some more content. And now I got to do the front mount portion of this install. So right now. All right, so daily weekly vlog update as of today's Tuesday or Wednesday. I think it's Wednesday. Yeah, Wednesday daily vlog update. Front mount is off. It's in the back of the Yukon. We're gonna trim it up and I'll show you guys how it works. This new grill. Oh boy. Ain't gonna lie, that's pretty hot. That is definitely pretty hot. Still need to get the side mount honeycombs for it. I think that's gonna do a lot. And I'm kind of debating right now, do I put some red LEDs behind it? I don't know. I've got some. I think I might wire them up here just to kind of get a feel and see how they're gonna look. I'll figure that out as we go. So obviously you can tell there's no intercooler in there right now. I gotta do a little bit of modification. I'm not unhappy, I'm not happy, I'm just, it is what it is. And frankly, with the whole COVID thing and shipping and receiving, it's cheaper, easier, and simpler for me to just modify it the way it mounts, and I can just be happy and move on. That's where we're at right now, and you guys, I'll just see you guys in a few seconds. Well, you know what time it is. It is time for a daily weekly update. It is Thursday, and today, I think we're gonna get this intercooler mounted. So, got the intercooler cord completely modified here. I just took these little tabs off, re-welded them, and it should work. So, I'm gonna pop this bumper cover back off, and yeah, we're gonna get that thing mounted up today. Let's get started on it before the sun goes down, and then we have no more time left in the day. So let's do it. All right, daily shop vlog update number 647 and 69 thousandths. First, we got to get a battery in here. For the record, best mount you can buy for a universal mount anywhere mount. All right, so in case you're wondering also, this is the time-lapse camera that I shoot all my how-tos with. On all my how-to videos, I shoot a time-lapse beginning just to give that visual representation, because a lot of people can learn and just need that quick, oh, this is where that's at type of thing. Other viewers out there who want to see it step-by-step point of view, so I always do 2 videos in one type of thing. So that's not what we're talking about today. So I got the intercooler all modified, mocked up and whatnot here, and it's not doing too bad. I'm actually pretty happy with it. We got that all mounted up. It actually ended up having a lot more thread down here than I thought. I was a bit concerned with the thickness, but it seems like it's working. So I'm gonna just get this intercooler mounted up, guys, and I think I get to set this on the ground tonight. No, that's a lie. I won't set this on the ground tonight. I'll have the intercooler all mounted, but I'm gonna have to finish putting on the USP slave cylinder. So let's get this bit done before the sun goes down. All right, guys, I'll check back in a while. Hello, everybody. All right, it's Friday, last day of the daily weekly. And guys, we got the intercooler all installed, front mounts installed. So now I just gotta put the grill on here, and I think this job is, oh, I do got to put the slave cylinder in, but that's easy stuff. That's easy stuff. We're experts around here at slave cylinders, master cylinders, and diffs. So I'm gonna get back to this, guys. I don't want to spend a lot of time chit-chatting, and enjoy the show. Wow. Look at that. Guys, I'm gonna call that a successful one. Man, she looks so good. I don't know if you guys, how well you guys can see it, but it's aggressive, but just not, it's not over the top, you know? I don't know if I would necessarily like the look of an intercooler from here to here. Like this just, I like this. This works really, really well. This is more like oversized OEM to the next extreme, and I'm loving it. I think it looks fantastic, and I can't wait to get the tune on it in like 2 weeks time, and we really see how this thing rolls out. So, guys, until next time, that's all that I have. And if you enjoyed this video, please smash that like button for me. And if you want to see more content similar to this and modifying B8s and B7s, sorry, B8s and B6s and C5s, smash that subscribe button, and I will try not to let you down. Well, till next time, peace. I'm outie.